Introducing DentNode, a dental lab management software for modern dental labs. DentNode stands out for its comprehensive all-in-one approach, seamlessly streamlining every aspect of your lab's operations. Success of a dental lab hinges on building strong relationships with dentists and consistently delivering high-quality work. With DentNode, you can accept cases from anywhere. When you receive a case, DentNode's automated workflows streamline the process, making it easy to track and organize every detail. Assigning cases, sending client updates, or setting reminders, workflows are here to help. Monitor each step of manufacturing and reduce cost. Track deliveries, payments, and warranties all in one software. And more. Get case feedbacks. Accept cases from any oral scanner. And most importantly, DentNode is built to give you control of your dental lab. Therefore, you can focus on strategic priorities rather than micromanagement. Register for free today and transform your dental lab into a hub of efficiency and innovation.